evening to all of you. We are going to cover three things majorly. In these 3 hours, we'll be covering 3 things. Are you not aware? Okay. See, we'll be talking on 3 things. Number 1 is group discussions. Number 2 is resume building. And number 3 is interviews, right? So shall we begin? Okay, fair enough. See, whatever you will be saying, whatever problems you will be turning up with, we will be resolving just that. We will be providing solutions only to those problems, right? You're getting the point? So please participate actively. Okay. When we talk about these 3 things, right? When companies come to your college to hire you, they turn up with these 3 things, right? So what do they expect out of you in these 3 things? What are their expectations? First of all, tell me one thing. Is it a rejection round or a selection round? These 3. Sorry? Rejection? See, it is a selection round, right? Please understand. They are there to select you, not to reject you, right? That is why they are there. See, once you fulfill eligibility criteria, right? They are basic. The first round could be either an aptitude test, yes or no, right? Either an aptitude test. So your knowledge has already been tested in round 1, that is the aptitude test, right? You're getting the point or not? So that is the rejection round. And then comes group discussions, PIs, personal interviews, right? Or it could be VAT and PIs. VAT is writing ability test, right? You're getting it or not? Okay, fair enough. So what is expected in round 2? What do they test? What do they look for? When they turn up with group discussions or VAT, that is writing ability test, and personal interviews, what do they expect out of you? What are their expectations? Sorry, number 1 is communication skills. Okay, fair enough. What else? What else? Presence of mind. Okay, what else? Self-confidence. Okay, so basically it is a personality assessment round. So your personality is being judged through these activities. Okay? So you have understood what exactly it is. It's a personality assessment round wherein these attributes are being tested. Communication skills, right? Your ability to work hard in the right direction, right? How you have approached things. These things are being tested. Your group activities, ability to work in group. These things are being tested. Whatever you have said is right. Okay. So let's start off with group discussions first. Okay. What is a group discussion? What exactly is being tested? What do they look for in a group discussion? Your ability to work in a team. Yes. So number 1 is ability to work in team working skills. Okay. What else? Rational thinking, correct. Rational thinking is being tested. What else? What more? People, listening abilities. Yes, that is very crucial. Listening abilities. What else? Ability to convince. Okay, fair enough. What more? Leadership skills. Okay. What more? Okay. See, when we talk about these things, don't you think we are missing out something? These things can be tested by through other activities also. Like for example, what are the problems you have mentioned? Ability to work in a team. I can give you a role play. A group activity. Why a group discussion necessarily? Number two is you talked about rational thinking. I can give you a case study, right? And that too individually, right? When we, let's talk about the third one, listening abilities. I can give you a listening ability exercise, right? Separately via group activity, via group discussion. Convincing ability, ability to convince others. It could be one-on-one as well, right? You're getting the point or not? Something is missing. Sorry? Communication in a group, correct. So a group activity. Why a discussion? Awareness. Awareness. So a general awareness, business awareness and static GK test can be given. So let's go for a reading comprehension test. That has already been tested in round 1. What more? Respecting the behavioral part. That can be tested by other ways also. Why a group discussion? One-on-one conversation can, yeah? How competitive you are in a group. So a group exercise would suffice. See, something is missing and that something needs to be quantified. Let's go for it. That is time management. Whatever you are doing, see, all these things will work, right? But these things needs to be manifested within the stipulated time. You're getting the point or not? Everything needs to be done within the stipulated time. Time management is very, very crucial. You're getting the point or not? A topic is being given to you, right? Awareness, communication skills, team working skills, self-reliance, everything will fall in line if you are good in time management, right? These things will certainly work. But remember this, that generally people trivialize the importance of time management. You're getting the point? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now, how to do all this? Right? I'll talk about every single thing, right? But before that, I want all of you to jot down in 30 seconds, to jot down all the problems you have ever faced in a group discussion or you will face in the group discussion. Ever faced or you will face in the future, right? Your time starts from now, 30 seconds, to jot down all your problems. Yes, what are the difficulties you generally face? Let's talk on those things. Whatever you will mention, I'll discuss only on those things. Yes. Lack of knowledge is number 1. Okay, fair enough. Vocabulary, okay. One by one. Lack of knowledge, vocabulary. How to intervene or intercept. How to intervene or intercept. Yes, please expedite the process. What more? Eye contacts. Okay, we'll talk on that. Where to start and how to start. Both the things. How to start and where to start. What else? How to structure the GD. Correct. Important. Very nice. How to structure. Structure is good enough. Structure. Okay. What else? What else? Anything else you want? Sorry? Should I change my stand? Okay, this is a very nice question. Should I change my stand? Sorry? Conclusion and summary. There are two things, right? We'll talk on both of them, conclusion and summary. Okay. What else? Counter argument. How to counter? Counter. How to counter? Okay. What else? How to? Yes, this is a very nice question. What if I am getting interrupted? Right? Somebody else intercepts me. Right? Interruption handling. Yes. What else? Okay. Very nice. What if content? Content creation. We'll talk on content. Okay. Okay. Let's talk, pen down listening. Listening and responding both. Anything else? I reckon we have covered almost 98 to 99% of the things. Personal. Okay. Should we get personal? No. The answer is no. Straight.